These roads are all ice right now under the snow because it rained before the snow, and then it snowed, and then it kind of warmed up to like 30s, and then started to melt, then it froze again, and then snowed again. So it's pretty slick out here. And it's only 13 out, so yeah, it's pretty slick. We got four-wheel drive though, we're good. I don't really use four-wheel drive too much, only around my yard and my driveway, because that's where it gets really icy. I don't know why it's so much colder by my house, but yeah, like I wouldn't need it right now, but I'm just going to this gas station up here, so I'll keep it on. And maybe we'll go check out that little parking lot after and do a couple donuts. I don't know. What do you think, Bills? Probably put a little bit of gas in her so she's not under half. Gas is pretty cheap lately. $2.39. Man, there's a lot of ice on this highway. Or it's county road or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there's a lot of ice. So speed limit on this road is 60. Or 55, I mean. So I'm going to probably take it about 40 to 45. This is all ice. So yeah. Yeah, we just fishtailed. That's no fun. Well, it is fun. But my rear tires are about 75% tread. Cooper Discover All-Terrain 3s. But my front are the same tires with zero tread. They are smooth. And I'm getting new tires here within the week or two. We got it scheduled at the tire shop. They just had to order in the tires. So I'm going to have brand new rear AT3s. And these 75% tread rears are going to the front. So I'm going to have pretty good tires for the winter, which will feel a lot better than this. But this thing's still been doing good. We've had these couple snowstorms, and this thing's been doing good just as is, which is pretty good. Much better than my girlfriend's 16 Nissan Altima with brand new tires. So